Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python dictionary collection with Dict method. So first of all, what is this dictionary collection in Python programming? So Dict is a data type in Python programming. So coming to some technical points about the dictionary collection. So dictionary collection stores the data as key value pair collection. Example, dictionary1 is equals to curly brackets roll number 1001, name, psi, age 21. So dictionary keys are unique. It does not accept duplicate. If you put a duplicate key, it will replace the existing key value pair. Dictionary values can be duplicated. So here, dictionary does not provide indexes to its collection, and dictionary elements are mutable, which means that modifications are okay. Adding, deleting, or updating existing key value pairs. So here we give dictionary key value pairs in curly brackets and they are separated with commas, and key value they are separated with colon. Example, dict to curly brackets 1001 colon psi, 1002 colon ram, 1003 colon ali, and these key value pairs are separated with commas. So now coming to the dict method. So using dict method, we can create a new empty dictionary or a new dictionary with key value pairs. For example, dict1 is equals to dict method. So here we get an empty dictionary because we are not passing any input parameter to the dict method. Similarly, dictionary2 equals to dict of input. So here the input parameters can be dictionary, list, or tuples. Okay, list with tuples. It can be another existing dictionary or list with tuples. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program, Python dict example 2. So let us take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. Initially we'll create a empty dictionary without any input parameters to the dict method and store that reference in dictionary1. Print type of dictionary1, print dictionary1. So save this program, come to the prompt where you have saved the program and then run it. So py python dict example 2. So class dict type, and we got a empty dictionary without any key value pairs. Now let us create a dictionary by passing another dictionary as input parameter to the dict method. So dict method for this input parameter is another dictionary, roll number 1001, name, psi, age 21. So that another dictionary will be converted into dictionary and its reference will be available in dict2. So print dict2 type and print its contents. So save this and run. So it is of type dict dictionary class, roll number, name, age 1001, psi 21, dict2. Now coming to the dictionary method with list of tuples as input parameter. So I'm taking a dict method. So for this dict method I'm passing a list. So list is represented in open square bracket, close square bracket, and inside this list I'm taking tuple with two values. So first tuple 1001 psi, and tuple is represented with circle bracket, comma 1002 Ram, second tuple, third tuple 1003 Ali. So this list of tuple will be converted into dictionary. Store that in Dict3. So print type of Dict3 and print Dict3. Right, so save this, come to the prompt and run it. So it is of type class Dict, and we got a dictionary 1001 Sai, 1002 Ram, 1003 Ali. So this is how we are supposed to work with dictionary collection using Dict method, using which we can create an empty dictionary or a dictionary from existing collection. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.